Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P48E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P48E won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to power supply problems or internal component failures. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. To begin, ensure your device is unplugged and remove any connected peripherals. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the Dell P48E. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, being cautious not to damage any clips or internal components. With the back cover removed, locate the power supply unit, which is typically found towards the bottom of the device. Visually inspect it for any signs of damage such as burn marks or bulging capacitors. If you identify a faulty power supply, proceed to disconnect the cables attached to it, noting their arrangement for reassembly later. Carefully unscrew the power supply from its mounting points, applying gentle force to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old power supply is out, take your new one and position it in the same location, securing it with screws while ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables to the appropriate ports, referring to your earlier notes to ensure correct placement. After everything is secured, replace the back cover of the device, pressing down gently to ensure it clicks into place and all clips are secured. Finally, reinsert all screws to keep the back panel firmly attached. Before powering it on, double-check that everything is connected properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check your power supply and avoid overloading your device with excessive peripherals. Keeping your software updated can also help maintain the device's overall health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.